Hi, it's Emilio at Immobiliser Fit. What we fitted today is this Starline i96 Pro on a 2020 BMW M4. So the way the system works, if someone was to get in with the key cloned or copy the key and try start it, the vehicle won't start. As you can see, try and start it, won't start, as the vehicle needs to see a form of authorization. So this can be done either through the push sequence on the steering wheel, which the customer can set between 3 and 21 presses in any unique order, or through having their phone paired through Bluetooth in an adjustable range. So the way to do it with the buttons is ignition on, pop the code in. For now we've set 1, 2, 3. Hear a melody and start. So now we can start the vehicle, we can drive it away as it's past authorization. If the customer wants to change the code at any point, this is how it's done. So first you need to disarm the system. So pop the code in, get our disarm tone, and now it's ready. Now it's disarmed. We need to press a button 5 times to put it into learn mode. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn the ignition off and back on. We'll get our 5 bleeps and it'll be ready to learn. So now any button I press that works will give us a bleep. So what I'll do now, I'll just change it to this button. So now we just input the code again. Now we've got our confirmation. I've set it as 1, 2, 3. Get the same confirmation if that code's correct. And there we go. That's the code changed. This code can be a combination of any button. So it could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It could be in any confirmation. It could be 3 presses of this, 2 presses of this, 1 of that, 1 of that. The combinations are pretty much endless. It's totally up to the customer what they want to choose. So what we'll do now, we'll just show you that new code's changed. So ignition on, 1, 2, 3, that's our new code. Melody, and we can start the vehicle. If the customer needs to take this for a service at any point and they want to put it in service mode, obviously don't want to give them the disarm code and they don't want to hand them the customer's phone, which is paired up. This can be done through the buttons or through the app. Through the app, it's as simple as pressing and holding on the green circle till it goes yellow, releasing and get your 2 bleeps. If you want to do it through the buttons, however, this is how it's done. So ignition on, pop your disarm code in, 1, 2, 3, get your melody. Now press any button we know works 11 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Ignition off and back on, we'll get our 2 bleeps. So that now confirms this is a normal car. It's in service mode and they don't need to put the code in. It will start up and drive around as if it doesn't have an immobiliser fitted, and they can service it and road test it. So now if we just start it up, obviously you'll see it starts up as normal, drive it away, there's no need for a code. They can do what they need to do. When you get it back, it's as simple as turn the ignition on, pop your disarm code in, and you get your 2 bleeps. So 1, 2, 3, 2 bleeps, this car's protected. You can also take it out of service mode through the app, which is the same procedure to put it in, but just in reverse. So press and hold on the yellow circle, it will spin around. When it goes green, release, you get your 2 bleeps, and that's the car protected again. Okay. So now we've had it sitting for about 10 seconds, the system would have rearmed. So if someone tries to attack the vehicle, you can see it's protected, it won't start up. If you want to get one of these fitted on your vehicle and want to get it protected, we're Immobiliser Fit. Give us a call on 0208 212 7393. Once again, it's 0208 212 7393. Thank you for watching.